Hi guys, today we will learn how we can change the case of text in Excel sheet. Here we will discuss two methods to change the case of text. One by using formula and two by using macros. First we can add formula to our Excel sheet to change case of text. To change the text to uppercase, we will use the upper function and will give the reference of the cell in argument to whom we want to change the case. Secondly, if you want to change the case of your text to lowercase, then use the formula lower and give the reference of cell as an argument. Similarly, if you want to change your text to proper case, means only first letter will be capitalized, just use proper formula and pass the cell reference as an argument. And now you can see the case will be changed as you will press enter. You can use fill handle to copy the formula in lower cells as well. Important thing is that if you remove the data from the cells that you have given as an argument, then the function will give you error and no content will be displayed. We need to avoid this problem. You can just copy that column where you have applied the formula of change case. Now in other column you need to paste value, and here you can see, even if you delete the source cell's data, the destination data will still exist. That's it. You have done. Thumbs up. Now we come to the second method, use of macros. This one is the best and the permanent solution for changing text in Excel. Now what we will do? We have already saved a macro code in our notepad. You can get this change case macro code from the link given in the description of this video. Now just copy it, go to View tab and then Macros. Here you need to enter the name of your macro and then click Create. A Visual Basic module file will be opened. Just remove the existing code, paste your copied code and then close the file. Now select the cells where you want to change the case. Now I again go to View, then go to Macros, select the macro you have created for change case, click on Run. U for uppercase, letter L lowercase, and P for proper case. Yes, you have done. It's working fine in this Excel sheet. Now if you want to learn how to add a change case menu or tab in your Excel ribbon, so you can add this macro in all of your Excel sheets, just watch the next video how to add a new tab of change case in Excel. If you have learned something from this video, just like the video, subscribe our channel, and click on bell icon so you are notified for any upcoming latest videos. Thank you for watching.